Alright, I am in Eugene, Oregon. It's a sunny day, it's going to be a warm day, and I'm riding on the bike path. Okay, I'm right here. I am going down, this is Willamette River right here. I'm going down the east bank, this side right here, all the way down here to the north bank. Now there's a cool bridge over here somewhere. Anyhow, Eugene is down here on the south of the river, and the University of Oregon is right here south of the river. There's a huge park here. I'm going to check it out. Alton Baker Park. They got a greenway that goes all the way down here, so you can go down and come back up. Now I am right up here, staying right up here in this area near River Avenue. That's where Don lives at. Don's got some errands to run, so I'm going to go out and play and ride and get some exercise in the good weather. Alright, this is looking north. And here's the bridge across the river. The Willamette River runs right down through the center of Eugene and Springfield. But they've got a whole network of bike paths. This is a biker's town here, or cyclist town. Alright, that's the freeway that goes around the north side of the town. Alright, man, it's a beautiful day. It's 57 degrees, 58 degrees right now at 11 o'clock. I think it's supposed to get up close to 80 today. And I haven't ridden my bike much lately, so I needed a day of riding, and this is perfect. Alright, the leaves are just starting to change down here in the valley. This is low elevation, flat. And I'm in the middle of a city right now. Alright, you got the river on this side. I'm on the east side. Got the bike path, got houses, high school. Alright, we got a little bit of falls here. I guess these houses on the Greenway are a bit on the pricey side. Alright, they have a series of ponds that were gravel quarries when they were building the highway, and they've turned them into like nature preserves. These are called delta ponds. These are actually ponds, not just gravel quarries. Alright, this is what I came to see. Not actually, I'm going across it, but I'm not going to the east. This crosses the Beltway. It's called the Delta Bridge, and it's the coolest bridge, even though it's located beside the used Toyota lot. You see the red cables, red painted cables? At nighttime, they're lit up with red lights. This is the coolest bridge. There's another walkway over there. The Delta Bridge, seen from the east side. Alright, I'm getting close to downtown, which is on the south side of the bank there. Here the bike path runs along the freeway. It's a great bike path. Lots of deciduous trees along the riverway, which is unusual. Now this is the only indication that you're in the middle of a city. There's a river right across from downtown. That's downtown Eugene, believe it or not, and the University of Oregon is right downtown. That's the highway. Then there's a bike path just below it. Look at the blackberries, man, they're huge. Boy, this is nice. Lots of oak trees, maple trees, things like that. There's another cool bike bridge that goes across to the University of Oregon. Now there's a huge park down here. That's what I'm going to check out next. Hey, who you guys pulling for tonight? Huh? Who? Who's your favorite team tonight? Let me hear it. Huh? Come on, let me hear it. You guys pulling for the Ducks, huh? The Ducks? That's what I thought. These University of Oregon Ducks fans. Big park down here. The university is right across the river. It's a big park. See a bunch of RVs parking out there. I'm guessing they're here for the football game tonight. University of Oregon versus University of Arizona. It's a Thursday night game. These little flowers growing. The football stadium. The big O for Oregon. This is like going through the woods. It is going through the woods. Still along beside the river. Boy, what a great day for exploring on a bicycle. This is Osmond Bridge. That's how the students cross the river, go to the stadium. And they probably stagger back. Or maybe they stagger over there and back. It's hard to believe you're in the middle of a city that's 100,000 plus. And the university probably has 30,000 students. There's the river. Under the railroad track. This is a skateboard city right here. This is the South Bank Trail. These are greenhouses. Got to be part of the university. Duck tracks. Where do they lead to, I wonder? Let's find out. Alright, the campus is huge. Sprawled out all over the place. You can walk it, but it's a long walk. Better to go by bicycle. Smoke and tobacco-free university. Yes! That's what I like. Boy, I'm glad I'm on a bicycle. Don drove me through the campus last night, but man, the traffic was heavy and there's nowhere to park. Bicycle, you can just ramble around as you please. And what a lovely day. Look at the sky. Alright, I guess this is the main campus right here. Close to downtown. Looks like redwood trees there, the tall ones. Look at this magnolia tree. It can't be a rhododendron, it's got to be a magnolia tree. This is a bicycle campus, take a look. That is a redwood tree, it's got to be.